Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's all about wildlife photography and tips and tricks on how to get better in the field and also post-production and getting stuff onto social media as well. I'm sure all of you have been out and taken some awesome video with your camera and come home, put it on your laptop or computer and then uploaded it to your phone and found that basically you're getting a letterbox format. It's 16:9 and you've got great black bars either side of your footage. So I'm going to show you how to change that footage to 9:16 so it's viewable on a mobile phone, full screen, and enables you to upload as a reel for whichever social media platform that you use. So follow me along and let's see where we go. So I use CapCut on the Mac to make my movies into reels. So go onto your Mac, select CapCut, create project, and then import your footage from whatever storage device you have. And I'm using a ready-made file that I've already recorded. Once that's imported, drag down the footage to the timeline, and then using the zoom in button on the right hand side of the timeline, you can zoom in on the footage. What ideally you want to do is get the footage in the middle of the screen, because you've got to imagine it's a 9:16 aspect ratio. So select your footage and trim your clip to what you want to be put on your reel. And here I'm selecting the middle bit of the owl footage that I recorded, as some of the stuff has gone out of focus because I've used autofocus on the camera. Then go to ratio 9:16. As you can see now, you've got black bars either side of footage, and click the side of it and drag it out. Now I'm not going to fully drag it out to the whole screen because I find that that'll be too much of a zoom, but you might be able to with your footage. So I'm just now having a look at the footage and I'm just going to have a look and see what's good. I can see it's slightly off to the left. So if you go to that sort of zoom tool, which is a little magnifying glass next to the aspect ratio, you can move it and then move the footage right or left to fit it into the center. And as you can see, that's a lot better. So I'm just trimming it now. And then what I also am going to do now is reduce the speed of the video, because I shot it in 60 frames per second. I can reduce it by half. So by clicking the video and then going up to speed, you can reduce the speed by half. And it depends what frame rate you've recorded in, how much you can reduce the video by. But I'll do another video on how to explaining about slowing down video footage. And then you can see on my footage, I've got two little black bars, either top and bottom of the footage. So what I do is then, if you go up to the video and press video and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see something called canvas. Click the down arrow and then you'll see none, blur, color, pattern. If you go to blur and then select whichever one is preferable, it'll add like a little color bar either side, and then it'll give you that full screen on the phone screen. So that's pretty cool. It's quite good also if you find your footages you can't fully crop in using the zoom tool on CapCut. Now I'm just going to adjust the exposure, temperature and stuff like that using the adjustment tab, and that pretty much is ready to go. So export, and always export in 1080p and 30 frames per second for Instagram. I don't know about TikTok, it's probably the same. It seems to be the best one, even though you record it in 4K, 30 frames per second, 1080p, because of Instagram's compression rates, it all seems to be better to definitely export it in 1080p and 30 frames per second. So I hope that's helped and that you'll be able to make some amazing footage. Why don't you check out my Instagram page? I've got a load of reels on there that I've already made, and please do like and subscribe. It really does help grow the channel, and I'll be producing more stuff in the future. So hopefully see you soon. Thanks for watching.